So my mom likes having a bunch of these in each of her rooms. So now I see where I get that from. However, this one wasn't working, and I didn't make a video or anything beforehand. Might be able to see her. It might be a little bit between the two springs there, the two wires. Might be a little bit. I didn't clean real well. I try to get a little Vaseline on that, but clean that up and she's good to go. So even with old 1.2 volt testing batteries, guess I can do it quick. I know where these batteries, I think those Warrior ones came from the Free Harbor Freight. Oh, let's see, get back in. Yeah, so cooler basement, man. It is like 87 degrees outside, and whew, it was a hot one today. I seen 104 in the car, 150 in the sun on the visor. Neat thermometer I have up there. So toasty day, but anyways, be safe, stay cool out there, make sure you stay hydrated. Heat can be just as dangerous, especially if you're not used to it. And as always, pray for peace, read and learn something new. Until next time, bye for now.